I've shown a lot of pictures of the inside of our house because we've done a lot of remodeling inside, but we've touched almost nothing outside. So I haven't shown the outside of the house yet, but this is what we're dealing with for before pictures. We have no garage right now, so that's kind of the next big thing, is to get rid of some trees and add a garage over here. And the plan right now is that we are going to reside the whole house, and we'll get rid of the brick that's there. We're gonna add an entryway and a porch here that will connect to the garage, so we can access the garage without going outside. So hoping this will look a lot different about a year from now, probably by the end of next summer. Fingers crossed, if all goes well. We'll see what we decide to change, but for now that's the plan, and we'll see what we're dealing with here. We'll remove this tree, which I think has seen its better days. New siding, get rid of the brick, new doors. We're gonna bump out the entryway. We'll add stairs somewhere in here to go down. Then there'll be an entryway and a porch here that'll connect into a garage. And then we're gonna build a 3-stall garage right in this area. So these 3 trees need to come down. Here's the trees so you can see them from the other side. So 1, 2, 3 that need to come down. These 2 are just massive, so we're gonna hire those to be taken out. The garage will actually come back here, so it'll connect almost back to that window back there, and then we'll end up making that window an egress window into a bedroom down there. So for now, that's the plan. I guess we'll see what we decide to change or what we stick with as we get into it. But for now, I think that's kind of the general idea of what we're gonna do. Here's the before. It's 8 a.m. the next day. Joel got the crabapple tree cut down and cut it up into smaller pieces. I'm gonna work on getting it cleaned up. And then we have someone coming later today to grind out the stump, to take down the other 2 trees for the garage and the big one in the front, grind out those stumps, and they're gonna take a couple trees in the backyard too. So I'll try to get some video of that. Stopped and got some asparagus this morning, so that's always a fun treat. We'll see what it looks like later today.
On our driveway.
So the company that we had down to remove our trees ground this stump here, so I'm going to use it as a makeshift fire pit for now to try to burn some of this brush so I don't have to carry everything to the backyard to our fire pit. So I dug it out a little bit and we'll fill it up and get a fire going. Okay, I think cleanup is finally almost done. We ended up having 6 trees cut down and we've been cleaning them up for over a week. So we ended up taking giant logs and just stacking them in the back of our property. We cut up a lot for firewood and stacked that. And then we just burned all of the small brush and leaves and things like that. We just have some more raking to do and leaf blowing, and then that'll be done. But there'll be a lot of projects coming up over the next year or so to get the garage and the house the way that we want it. So follow along if you want. Here's some pictures of what it looks like now.